The best way to maximize your driving when looking for areas to invest. That's the topic for today's episode, and without further ado, let's dive in. Hello everyone. So today it's another episode, part of the series of us being on the road. And Anthony came up with this great idea because we came around to check at some areas and just, experience it. What is it to be like to live here and see what can we do to bring up the value of some of our properties. So what we decided to do is just to drive around and see what's happening. And we realized that it's great when you are a two-person shop, but then when you're coming by yourself, chances are you gotta pay attention to the road. Otherwise, you're gonna have to keep parking in every corner, and sometimes there are areas where you just simply cannot park. So Anthony's idea was just to simply invest in a nice GoPro camera, which offers stabilization, and you just simply hook it up, and voila, it will do all the wonders. You will see, the camera will see what your eyes are seeing, and then at the same time, you're capturing everything. So that way, your attention doesn't have to be divided between, oh, I gotta make sure I capture this area, I gotta make sure I take a picture of this area right here. And instead, you can have your attention focus 100% on the road, just the way that I'm doing right now, even though I'm talking, and have this beautiful camera right here, tiny, compact, but punch with a lot of power, capturing every single corner of the area that you're looking into. So when you get home or when you sit down with your partners or whoever is it that you're doing real estate investing with, you can go over some of the areas where you can see, hey, maybe we should build something here, maybe we should build something over there, or you know what, it will help to have something like this built into the houses that we're offering to our tenants, so that way we can improve their experience living in there, and at the same time bringing the most out of your rent. So that's pretty much all I have. It was short and simple and sweet, and hopefully you got a lot of value out of this, and I'll see you soon on the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.